Yeah, welcome to lesson 22. Let's quickly look at how best we can convert all the numbers we picked from the Excel workbook into two decimal places. So I'll just go ahead and open my terminal report design from Microsoft Word and agree to link it to the TR1 worksheet of our terminal report system workbook. Click on yes. It opens. So the next thing I will do is to show you how to convert these, separate fields into two decimal places. Because if you don't do that, your system will end up being distorted. So once it's linked, this is what you get. So you just go to the mailings tab, you come to preview results, and it comes like this. So you see my first has been converted to what? Two decimal places already. Look at what is happening here. And it's distorting our terminal report system. Look at this. Look at student average mark, class average mark. So we need to convert all of them into two decimal places. So you right click on one, you say toggle field case, then you right after the inverted commas, you use a backslash, hashtag 0.00. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'll right click again. Then I'll go to toggle field code. That is gone. So what I'll do is I'll come to my student average, right click, toggle field codes, Control V to paste, right click, then toggle to come back. You won't see it now, so let me toggle field code, Control V to paste, right click, toggle field codes. So I hit on preview results, it comes. Let's see if it works. Good. See, automatically that's converted it into what? Two decimal places. So we're going to repeat it for all the values. Right click, toggle field codes, Control V to paste, right click, toggle field codes, Control V to paste. So I should be done in a couple of minutes. Toggle field codes, Control V to paste. So come in here, right click, toggle field codes, Control V to paste. We're only doing it for the numbers, not the letters. Toggle field codes, Control V to paste, but you can press, I think, Alt F9 to automatically toggle all of them at the same time, but I just want to do it step by step. That's why I'm using this particular process. Toggle field codes, and click Control V to paste behind it. So you make sure it is highlighted. Right click, toggle field codes, click behind it, Control V to paste. So let me go back, right click, just revert it back to the way it was. So that's what you need to do. Okay. And I toggle back. Okay, and do it for this. Okay, toggle field codes, Control V to paste. Okay, why don't I do it this way? Is it Alt F9? Okay, if I do it like this, it will be too cumbersome. So let me just go step by step. Toggle field codes, Control V to paste, right click, toggle back. So that is what you have to do. So I'll do that, and I can do it for this as well. Click behind it. Do it for this. Okay, let me go back. Toggle back. Toggle. Then toggle back again. Toggle field codes. Control V to paste. So let me go forward, and I'll come back. You see automatically they're all into 2 decimal places. Beautiful. So sub 6, toggle field codes, Control V to paste. So it is always backslash hashtag 0.00. Don't forget that. So let me untoggle back. So you just have to take your time, go through the process, and you'll be fine. Toggle field codes. So let me check the time. Okay. So as soon as I'm done with this, we can do it for the cumulative record. Toggle. So toggle. Okay, let me move to see where I'm at. Okay. So I come to sub 8. Control V to paste. Do the same. Toggle field codes. Control V to paste. Do it for this. Do it for this. I need to calm down. Control V to paste. Click here, paste. Toggle. Click and paste. Okay. Come to sub 11. That's it. Okay. Okay, then we come to this as well. So we toggle, Control V to paste, go line by line, toggle, Control V to paste. I don't want to pause, I want to go through step by step so that you appreciate what we are doing. Toggle, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. Toggle, 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 okay. So Alt F9, Alt F9 again to untoggle. Okay. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll untoggle all of these. Okay. Okay. So now you know the process. So let me just finish with this, then I'll continue the rest. So step by step, bit by bit, you move. I'm not sure we did it for this. Okay, we did. We do it for this. Yeah, we did. Okay. So you do it step by step in that order. Let me save. We did it for this. Okay, so that's for the terminal report. So let's look at this. Toggle. Okay. So that is how it works. Toggle. Okay. Move on to the next. So as soon as I try going through the records automatically, it will convert all of it into 2 decimal places. So this is how it works. Okay, so if I go back to the first person, automatically the system should convert it into two decimal places. Perfect. So you've seen it to two decimal places each. So we have to continue, do it for the remaining. So always remember, you right click, you do the toggle. Then since you already have that, you come and click in it, then you paste. And what do? You toggle back. Then you move in that particular direction. So I'll do it for just the second term. Control V to paste. Okay, then I toggle back and go to the third subject. Control V to paste. Then I toggle back. I'll do it for the next. Control V to paste. Then I toggle back. Do it for the next. Control V to paste. Toggle back. Toggle filled quotes. Toggle filled. I toggle back. Control V to paste. And I toggle back. Click, paste, toggle filled quotes. Click, paste. And I come in here. Toggle filled quotes. Control V to paste. And I toggle back. So if I move on to the next person, automatically the system should do the conversion to two decimal places. I'll need to work on the width of this particular cell. Yeah. So I think that should be it. Okay. So we'll continue to work on it for all of them. So I'll see you in the next lesson after I've completed changing all of these into two decimal places. Then we'll look at how best we can generate them into individual reports as a single file. Oh, I did not do the toggling for this, so let me do that. Toggle filled quotes. Yeah. Control V to paste. Right click. Toggle back. Move on to the next person. Okay, it's been done. Two decimal places. Yeah, that's what we want. So we will meet in our next session where we will generate all their records as a single file for printing. Then we will go another step where we write a VBA code to generate them into individual PDF files with their names automatically attached to their file and their classes. Then we will conclude with how to send these individual records, that is the PDF files generated, through Outlook to their respective parents, and that will conclude our terminal report lesson. And I believe it's been very informative and educative. So do well to tell a friend to join. Thank you very much, and God bless.